You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Nice to see you on this Monday afternoon. We dealt with a little bit of a light rain earlier this morning. Now we're dealing with a mostly cloudy sky for the most part throughout the afternoon. We'll get to 26 degrees today. Humidex value of it feeling like 31, and we'll slip to 22 degrees late evening. Expect some rain tomorrow, maybe even the risk of thunder shower activity. And that's going to be the situation for much of the week. In fact, yeah, we're dealing with around 15 millimeters of rain tomorrow. That really amps up in the afternoon, into the evening, into the overnight hours. And then a risk of thunder showers for Wednesday as well. You're going to want to keep an umbrella handy this week, but you do also salvage some sunshine each day. For Belleville, good afternoon to you. 26 degrees today. Not out of the woods just yet with a chance of a light rain. Feeling like 29 once you factor in that humidity, though. 28 for Tuesday. Wednesday, you're looking at a high of 27 degrees. Again, a risk of thunder showers both Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's the same for Brockville as well. 26 degrees and salvaging a little bit of sunshine today, and a high of 27 both Tuesday and Wednesday. Humidex values in the low 30s for much of the week. Smith Falls, 27 degrees today. Again, not out of the woods just yet, but you do eventually see some sunshine in the afternoon. 28 tomorrow, risk of thunder showers, much the same for Wednesday, climbing to 27. As you look at these numbers, really nothing out of the ordinary. The average high this time of year is 26. That's what we see today for Kingston. And a humidex value of a feeling close to 30 degrees, dealing with still a chance of a light rain and a risk of thunder showers, like I said earlier, every day this week. But we also see sunny periods, so not an entire washout for this week. We'll get to 27 tomorrow, 26 both Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, we'll climb to 24 degrees, and again, risk of thunder showers at this point to end the week.
That chance of showers is with us again tonight in a small way. That's going to grow over the next few days as that instability continues. The chance of showers and thunderstorms seem to be a trend lately. You get a day here or there. We had a beautiful weekend. And any shower activity we saw over the weekend was in the overnight hours last night. So it was absolutely beautiful. We timed that well. I can't guarantee that in the future as we see it very unstable conditions in the region. Even when there isn't a low moving through, there's always the probability of a shower or thunderstorm popping up when it's this humid and this warm. 28 in Kingston today. You want to bet that was feeling more like the mid-30s. 28 in Brockville, too. Smith Falls, Ottawa, a 27 in Belleville, 25 in Peterborough, 25 in Oshawa, and 24 in Toronto today. And everybody had that point spread. Look at this, 73% relative humidity. So, yeah, it's feeling about 6 degrees warmer than it actually is. 4 millimeters of rain in the overnight early morning hours, just a little bit of a trace. We were calling, I think, on Friday for about 40% probability Sunday. It just took a little while to get here. And yes, here's more yet to come. More low pressure moving in just south of us, bringing in that probability of showers in a small way, but it grows as it's reinforced by another low right in behind it. And yeah, so you're going to see that chance of showers and thunderstorms continue for at least a couple more days. Hoping for a ridge of high pressure to move in for Thursday and clear things up, but for now, there's the 40% you see today through the morning, 60% by nightfall and through Wednesday, and then by the end of Wednesday it starts to clear out and you get that ridge of high pressure from the north. Hopefully that, because it's a ridge out of the north, it might help to bring temperature and humidity down a slight bit. But don't count on it. Our long range showing that those temperatures are near 30 and feeling like mid-30 as we continue with that unstable conditions. Looks like Belleville's bringing 27 your way tomorrow, 27 for a high Wednesday, up to 28 on Thursday. And yeah, for the next couple of days, that chance of showers and thunderstorms continues. Up to 60% probability tomorrow, or Wednesday rather, but only 40% tomorrow. Enjoy your mix of sun and cloud on Thursday. Brockville up to 27 tomorrow, 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms, 70% Wednesday, and then you get a break from it on Thursday too with a mix of sun and cloud, but right up to 28 degrees. That's probably going to feel more like mid-30s again with the humidity left behind by those showers. Smith Falls, high 26 and a 60% chance of showers. Risk of thunderstorms tomorrow, Wednesday. More of the same at 60% probability. And a lingering 30%, more so in the morning in Smith Falls Thursday. By the afternoon, just a mix of sun and cloud, but still on the hot and sticky side. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high 25 tomorrow and a 60% chance of showers and some thunderstorms. Wind south 20, probably starting to diminish through the late morning, early afternoon. However, if you do get caught in one of those thunderstorm cells, needless to say, you'll see the stronger winds. Wednesday, a high 26, chance of showers and thunderstorms at 70% probability. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 27. You get that small chance of showers in the morning, but for the most part, it's a mix of sun and cloud. You may see that probability sneak back in the afternoon due to daytime heating, but it's probably your best day over the next 5. Friday, high 26, back into another low pressure system with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. And for Saturday, it's a mix of sun and cloud and still a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. Now, your weather.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962 with same-day delivery.
This one comes from Audrey Bonter of Picton. Yeah, in her backyard, there's a nice little marshy area, and she says it was just beaming with life. Very, very busy over the weekend, and managed to get this lovely photo. She sent me a few, but this one I like the best. Very nice composition. Audrey, thank you so much for sharing your pics. If you've got them, share them with us too. It's submissions at ckwstv.com.
Isn't this the time of year the monarch returns, Bill, or is that a little later in the summer?
We will be seeing that. Yeah, we'll be seeing. Well, a lot of them are on the move now. But we're going to see the great migration very soon.
Certainly the temperature is there to support it, and despite the unsettled conditions for the week ahead you're talking about, Cataraqui Region Conservation Authority today issuing a level 2 drought condition, 3 of course being the highest or the worst, Bill. They say we need sustained rain.
Yeah, level 2 water level means you're, like pretty close to official drought conditions. We aren't droughting yet, but because the water levels were, the rain was so low in June, I know everybody seems surprised to hear about this level 2, because we've had so much rain lately. The problem with that is it's not enough to make up for that loss of rain we had in June. So the fact that there's showers and thunderstorms on that forecast right now is a good thing. Maybe we'll get out of that level 2.
Yeah, and if you get caught, as you mentioned, in one of those thunderstorms, they can dump a lot of water in a very short period of time, too.
And the problem with that, though, is not everybody gets it. Some will get it and some won't. You think you're getting a lot of rain in the region, but really, it's just in your backyard.
Okay, we will get you here back with the long-range forecast coming up later. Thanks, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Showers and thunderstorms really dominate the forecast as we see high temperatures and humidity, lots of instability, and these small low-pressure systems sort of skating through the lower Great Lakes region. As they do, they bring active weather, but you also get the daytime heating and that high humidity. It really creates some instability, and so you get thunderstorms popping up where there wasn't any before, where you get a nice, beautiful blue sky, and then boom, all of a sudden they're there. That's going to continue on and off for a few days. We may get a little bit of a break on Thursday, but still, probability of showers and thunderstorms looming as more lows develop and come our way. Your forecast looking hot and sticky for a couple days. Humidity still up there and rising at times. 27 for a high tomorrow and Wednesday. The chance of showers and thunderstorms at about 40% probability tomorrow, Belleville. Wednesday, it's up to 60%. Hoping to just see a mix of sun and cloud on Thursday. Brockville, yeah, up to 27 tomorrow, 26 on Wednesday. That chance of showers and thunderstorms there as well. Really growing to a 70% probability Wednesday, but you just get a mix of sun and cloud on Thursdays. Smiths Falls, the same deal. 60% probability for a couple days with the showers and thunderstorms, and then only 30% on Thursday. You'll get a mix of sun and cloud, so you're not quite getting just a mix of sun and cloud like the others. You will see that active weather probably late afternoon. Kingston, your 7-day forecast, a high 25, chance of showers and thunderstorms returning to the region. Well, it never really left, did it? Wednesday, a high 26, and a good chance of showers and thunderstorms again. Thursday, mix of sun and cloud, just a 30% chance of active weather. And then Friday, a high 26, you're back into the thick of it again. As more depressions push through, we get that risk of thunderstorms again over Saturday, but just 40%. And then Sunday, that grows to 60. We are looking at, again, about a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Monday with a high of 27.